So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. You join me on the 7th of July in Great Yarmouth, which is not one of my stomping grounds. And you join me for, well, I'm here for the takeover. I was a bit late getting here today, didn't get here till 4 o'clock, well, 3 o'clock. By the time I got checked in and ready, yeah, it was like 4 o'clock, so I missed a fair bit, but I did get a chance to meet up with and see the guys from Motors for the Masses. They were up here with, obviously, they AR motorcycles. So yeah, they've been up here. Had a quick chat with them. Caught up with Graham and Keith's mate and his missus. Had dinner. And I can't remember the exact name of the place that we went for fish and chips, but it was bloody beautiful. I'll put it on screen now. And I just thought, whilst I'm here and it's nice and my gear's dried out because I've got a bit wet coming over, I would just pop out and have a little ride about Yarmouth. And whilst I'm coming down, I'll show you the lights. I'm trying to go to Tesco's. But I thought I would have a look at the docks as well. So yeah, I mean, it's still, all this is used for the takeover. All this is shut. But yeah, as you say, there's still some things here. The trucks are still here. Look at that, they're probably going to sleep in them tonight. Why pay for an hotel when you brought a truck with you? Oh, Premier Inn. With a beef eater. Turbine blade by the looks. One of the ones out at sea. I'll just come down to be nosy. Can I take a right? Look at that bunny rabbit. Just let's go for a ride. A nice collection of trucks in there.